Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday, January the 11th, 2021. Yes, the second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2146. 2146. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, and I guess this one has 25 printed digits because the publisher published the Sudokus in the past 5 weeks, 6 weeks. All of those Sudokus has 25 printed digits. Normally, the 4-star Sudoku has 24. Let me check how many printed digits there are in this Sudoku. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3 is 10. 13, 14 plus 3 is 17 plus 3 is 20. 23 plus 2 is equal to 25. Correct. So my guess is correct. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers. In the third row, one of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be here. 3 missing numbers. In the third row, the 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 2 is missing. We see here 6. We see there 6, so no 6's in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 will be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 9 and the 8. 9 and the 8, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. Within a big square. Alright. Let me see. So we have now 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. In this second row, we have a 5 and a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. So no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. So the other pair in this big square should be the 6 and the 2. 6 and the 2. Let me mark. Oh, I do not mark them. I have a 6 here. I can't mark them. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So now we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so no 8 in that box. 8 goes here. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those. It's a pair. 4 in this column. 4 in the third column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be here. So now the other pair, and this big square should be the 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be here. 2 boxes left in this third column for the numbers 9 and 7. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about here, the last row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. You see here in this big square a 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then. How about all right. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 there, so this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 2. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Two, 3, the 9, the 5. Yes, the last row. We have 3 missing numbers, the last row. Those numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 9. And look, we have the 1 and the 5 here in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. Alright. Then 2. We have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 9. Then. We have a pair, 7 and a 9 in this row. 7 and a 9 in the row above. So in that row, the 7 and a 9 should be in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and a 9. Alright. 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4. Okay. So what are those 3 numbers in this row? Those numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 1 and the 2 are left in this row. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 8 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. This should be the 9. 1 box left in the last column for the number 7, I believe. No, 7 we have the 2. 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle rows and the row above. Only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. 7 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the 3 and the 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 3 goes there. Yeah. Alright. And now, we have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4, alright. And how about the 2? The 2 is also, yes. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 5 and the 1, 5 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then. Okay. How about the number? These 2 numbers. 1, 5, because we have a 1, 5 left. Actually, 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing in this row. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 5 and the 8 are missing. 5 and the 8. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this is going to be 1 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be a 5. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And why I have marked those 2 boxes with the 8 and the 7? We already have an 8 there. So overlooked again. So this cannot be an 8. This should be the 8. And this should be a 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 5. 1 number left in this row for the number 5, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Although the printed digits are the same, 25 printed digits. So is it really a 4 Stars Sudoku? I don't think so. Maybe they switched the Sudokus because it's easier than the previous Sudoku. Well, faster. Maybe not difficult, but faster. Alright, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes, see you later with the last two Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.